The spring roll wrapper is something really nice if you really watch how it is done. We have taken about 250 grams flour, a little salt, water and a dessert spoon of oil. Mix nicely and make it to a bread dough, like a dough, and keep aside for half an hour. Now we are going to take about 250 grams of flour and a pinch of salt, okay, and a dessert spoon of oil. We put all that together, adding cold water, mix it to a nice dough. It's not like bread dough, but it's like a dough that you mix it and take it. After that, you keep at least for half an hour or little more, at least 5 to 10 minutes. We can keep it so that it gets nicely mixed up and the paste also won't be sticky. You can see the paste is being done like this. Very nice paste. Water, salt and a little bit of oil that I have put. Knead it well after 30 minutes, half an hour, say. Then what I do is take this as a small ball, small portion, keep it. Roll it with the rolling pin to roughly to a 4-inch diameter round. 4-inch diameter round. Now we roll it to 4-inch diameter rounds to two pastries. Vegetable oil you can use and nicely brush on the edge, and then what we do is put a little flour, sprinkle a little flour and keep the other pastry and join together. Once you join together, now you start rolling it again. Now this 4-inch diameter round, we have to roll it to at least 7 to 8 inches diameter round. The more you roll it as thin as possible, it will be really fine, because to make this pastry, of course we can have like rolls, or we can do, now I just thought of doing like samosa we could do. So these spring roll wrappers can be used for so many things. Now I need a pan, a flat pan, like a baking tray, like a flat pan, I need one, and we slightly warm it up. We roll it as thin as possible, as I have told you, to 7 or 8 inches diameter round, and I have kept this pan. We will warm this up. The beauty of this is to warm this slightly, not over roasting, right? So what I would do is after 10 seconds I turn this. Only 10 seconds, right? Keep for 10 seconds and then again turn and keep for another 10 seconds, and then now see what I am going to do. Take this out and see, you could nicely remove this in 2 pieces, right? If I over roast, then I won't be able to remove it. And see, it's so pliable, like a cloth. I can roll this and take it. So nice, so beautiful, the 2 pastries. Now I can use this. You know what I could do with this? I can make the Chinese rolls, I can make a samosa, or like kottu roti also we can make it like. I have made the samosa spring roll wrapper for you, so you can see how it is made. But when you make it, you can cut the samosa paste into strips and the spring rolls into round, and if you make a bigger quantity, you can keep in the fridge. Then if you are keeping it in the fridge, what you have to do is, you have to put it in the Ziploc bag, oil paper or foil, wrap it nicely and keep in the normal fridge at least for a week or 2 even you can keep, no problem. If and when you want, you can take it out and keep for about half an hour, and then you can put the filling, wrap it like the way you want, and you can deep fry it. Another thing you can do is you can make the spring roll wrapper and the samosa paste, make the rolls and the samosas, keep it in boxes, keep in the fridge. When you keep it in the fridge, it can be kept for a week. Then what you do is you take it out and deep fry if and when you want to, and it will be nice and hot. It will be delicious and tasty when you make it hot and serve it. Try it out and see how it comes.